Hello class, my name is Mike Nolan and this is my introduction for MPA 540 Public Personnel Management. So this is me. I'm 33 years old and I live in Rancho Santa Margarita, California with my family. We recently moved from the city of La Quinta to Rancho Santa Margarita in September of 2018. In the center of all of our photographs there, as I noticed, is my son Jude. Jude just celebrated his second birthday in February. So one of the things my family and I really enjoy doing is we like to go to the Staples Center and catch an LA Kings hockey game, and I have some photographs in there of that. Also, we love to travel. The pictures from the travel pictures are our most recent trip that we took earlier this year to New York City. In addition to watching hockey games and traveling, something that we do regularly as a family is attend Mass, and we attend Mass here in Orange County at the Holy Trinity Catholic Church. And so when I'm not spending time with my family, I am either at work or school. I've been a police officer for the past 12 years. I spent a majority of my career at the city of Banning working for the Banning Police Department. While I was there, I had the opportunity to hold numerous assignments, including patrol, field training officer, instructor, SWAT, detectives, and a few other assignments while I was there. So I enjoyed my career there. However, in September of last year, my family and I made the decision to move out to Orange County, and that means that I need to change departments. So I made a lateral transition over to the Santa Ana Police Department, where I am now. And when I'm not working or not with my family, I'm focusing on my schoolwork. I received a bachelor's in administration of justice from California Baptist University a few years ago. Decided to go back, and now in December of this year, I'll have completed my master's in public administration. Well, that's me in a nutshell. I look forward to watching your videos and getting to learn more about my classmates. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.